Most common key size is a size 6. You can buy these at clock shops, or you can buy them on the internet at clock suppliers. But a 6 will fit most clocks. So if you happen to buy a clock that does not have a key with it, if you have a size 6 key, it'll fit most clocks. Also, some clocks, clock keys, have two ends to them, like these. The bottom part is here to wind the clock, and the top part is to adjust the time. As you can see, I'll zoom up here a little bit. Let's see, move a little closer. There's a little winding arbor right here, but you can use the small end to adjust the time. And it has a little S on the left, a little F on the right, and that indicates slow and fast. Now, not all clocks are set up that way. I'm going to show you an example of another clock. This is a movement from an Ingram clock. And on this Ingram clock, let's move closer here. Maybe even a little closer so you can see this. Okay, right here is a little dial. And on the face of the clock, when the face would be attached, that would come out this little slot here. And turning it to the right will make it go faster, and turning it to the left will go slower. Now there is another way to adjust the clock to make it go slower or faster, and that is by way of the pendulum. The longer the pendulum, the slower it will run. The shorter the pendulum, the faster it will run. And some pendulums are adjustable, like this one here. I'm going to zoom up on this so you can see it more closely. But on this one here, it has a little dial at the bottom here. And you can see, if I can get the right angle here, there's a little S and an F here. There you see it. So if you turn this little screw here to the right, it'll go faster. If you turn it to the left, it'll go slower. And what it's doing is that it's shortening and lengthening the pendulum. Now, just like clock keys can come in different sizes, and 6 being the most common, the keys that operate the speed of the clock that are on the other end of some of these keys that come with the double-ended keys do come in different sizes. You can buy a complete array of keys, like I have here at a clock supplier, and these are all the different sizes available. And you can see by the openings that they go from larger to smaller to fit all the different size openings to adjust the speed of the clock.